So, as we were talking about in the other video, here's your valve. Went ahead and wired it up. It's just two wires. It's a hot and it's a ground. And I've got this wired to the auxiliary switch that comes stock with the truck. I have 3 auxiliary switches. I wired that into the auxiliary switch, auxiliary 1. So you fill it in here. You fill it up in here. Then you can fill your main tank up. And then when you're going down the road, you can just turn this sucker on and you don't ever have to stop. And now what we're doing is the plug over here. I think hopefully we'll be done until something else breaks.